Let's start with your broad mindset about large cap stocks. Your fund has names that have higher than average growth and higher than average multiples. So what are you looking for when you're looking at equities to add to the portfolio? Is there some inherent risk at perhaps looking at pricier stocks if that growth falters?
There can be, but what we're looking for is consistency of returns. And often in looking for consistency of returns, there is some premium involved, either on a one-year basis, but we're looking for stocks that we think can deliver superior returns over longer periods of time, and sometimes we do sell at a slight premium. In terms
How
of
long is
overall.
long when you say longer periods of time?
I would say our outlook for our stocks, it looks out 3 to 5 years. And we have formal estimates that go out 3 years. But we really look at the 5-year potential return of our investments.
All right, let's get to some names. Visa is one that you hold. It's
Yes.
done better than a lot of names in the financial space. Supreme Court coming out with a ruling on debit card swipe fees that actually favors both Visa and MasterCard. So first on that ruling, is that already built into the stock price? Because the stock's had a pretty good run.
Yeah, I think it is built in. There's a lot of close attention that has been paid to legislation. What I would say about Visa and also MasterCard to some degree is that their business is so good that it attracts regulation, which is a two-edged sword. Both companies have business models that are extremely well positioned on a multi-year basis. We've been investors in Visa since the IPO.
Wow.
About 7 years ago. So this has been a wonderful investment for us, and every year we assess whether it can continue to be the kind of investment that it has been. We have had a couple of setbacks along the way, but they have shown the ability to absorb the Durbin Amendment, which did cut their fees in the debit card arena, and we think they'll be able to be resilient on a go-forward basis. But this is really a long-term holding in terms of our view of it. A lot of people have looked at Visa and said, hey, we want to do something like you do, and they've been unable to do it. And so we really see this as a company that is well positioned not only for the U.S. economy, but also for international exposure.